tight. To laughter and long nights we left behind. We were young, wild under open skies, chasing horizons with open eyes. Yeah, I walk along where we once ran, through streets that still hold the shape of our plans. The skyline feels like a friend I knew, holding the echoes of me and you. The skyline's glowing, takes me back in time. To laughter and long nights we left behind. We were young, wild under open skies, chasing horizons with open eyes.